Have you ever been sick or had a cold? What does your body do when you're sick? Today, we will discuss how the structure and function of these antibodies assist in protecting us against infection and disease. This is our immune system. When the body senses foreign substances called antigens, like bacteria, viruses, toxins, and parasites, the immune system calls on a number of mechanisms to recognize the antigens and eliminate the invader, including one of the most important, antibody production.
The B cell, a type of white blood cell of the lymphocyte subtype, play a critical role in producing Y-shaped proteins called antibodies or immunoglobulins after we are exposed to a disease-causing invader such as bacteria or a virus. As antibodies circulate, they attack and neutralize antigens that are identical to the one that triggered the immune response. Antibodies attack antigens by binding to them.
Are you familiar with the game Plants vs. Zombies, where the ultimate objective is to protect your garden base from waves of zombies? Well, if you take this simple analogy, the zombies who are attacking are the antigens, and those plants are our antibodies who are trying to fight these invaders.
Our immune system has three lines of defense: the external, the internal, and the adaptive immunity. Antibodies are a critical part of the adaptive immune system and has two parts, the passive and active immunity.
Passive immunity is a temporary protection from antigens by antibodies created outside the body. This occurs naturally during pregnancy when maternal antibodies are transferred to the fetus through the placenta or through breastfeeding. Antiserums, like rabies vaccine and snake antivenoms, are also part of passive immunity. Active immunity is when the immune system makes its own antibodies or when someone is protected against a disease following an immunization. Just like the lock and key, antibodies are designed to fit and attach to specific invading antigens. Antibodies create memory cells that help the body remember the threat and be better prepared for the next encounter. That's why someone who gets sick with chickenpox usually don't get sick from it again.
So, what does your body do when you're sick? It produces antibodies that attack invaders.